I cannot even remember the last time I had curly hair. So I'm going to switch my hair from this to curly, hopefully by the end of this video. I believe I have most of the products that I need for a good curly hair, according to the videos that I have been watching. So I have this Curl Talk gel, Curl Talk cream, and I also found a mousse. I can't remember when I bought this, so hopefully it's still good. And what I really would love to have, but I don't, is texture spray or sea salt spray, because I love the look of my hair when I go to the beach and my hair just gets super, super curly, like amazing, like I have gone to a professional salon to get them done. Because believe it or not, I was born with very curly hair, and my hair was actually blonde when I was little. And they used to call me Shirley Temple. So you know my hair was actually curly. And then it became dark. So now it became this mess, okay? This is me waking up. I actually used hot tools last night and it was wavy and waves no more. I need to wash my hair, and then we are going to go through the process of using a diffuser. This is going to require for me to be very patient and very positive about the experience. So if you are ready, I am ready. Let's go. I am back. I took a shower. I decided to put makeup on. I decided to make my bed, and my hair is almost dry. So this is the natural state of my hair after shampooing and conditioning without combing my hair. I'm gonna get it wet again. First step, a root lifter. This is by Salermo. This is what my hairdresser, my last hairdresser before we moved, used to use on my hair. Just a tiny bit on top and rub it in. Next, the cream, and this is by Not Your Mother's Curls. Super economical. I bought it at Ulta, but you can buy it on Amazon as well. And I'm gonna put this much. Activate the product, and I'm going to just work it throughout. Next is the mousse that we have no idea when this expires, but I'm gonna use it anyway. It's a volume and thickening mousse. So I'm going to also activate the product and work it through the hair, especially on this area on top where I need the most help. And you can see my curls are starting to form good. Also by the same brand, Not Your Mother's Curls. This is the Curl Talk sculpting gel. So and it's a clear gel. Activate the product, work it through the fingers, and here we go. I already have my hair on the direction that I want it to go. So I have it parted here. Now the other side. it back. And I went into my son's drawer to borrow a t-shirt because I hear that the fabric of a t-shirt is better than a towel. It's actually maybe more gentle, I don't know. And then just crunch it up with the t-shirt and get excess water out. So I have my hand open on the other side of this t-shirt and then cup it. Okay, I'm not expert, I'm just doing what I have seen on videos. Okay, now the other side. Is that doing anything? You're supposed to hear like a crunchy sound. So if you don't hear that crunchy sound, then the product is not activated. Like it's not gonna do as good, you know? So I don't know. So this young girl with a long, beautiful, luxury hair, and that's what she said to do.
Down. You do not hear this, you're doing it wrong. Upside down. I'm literally obsessed with it. You have to try it. So yeah, that's my curly hair day.
So, okay. So I see some curls. Go upside down. Okay. Ooh. Look, I'm mentally ready. This is by Wavy Talk and it comes with a diffuser. So here we go. Okay. Oh my God. Wow. Look insane. What do I do? What do I do? I gotta go research. I don't know what to do next. But oh my God, look at that shine. So the whole purpose of this is to let it be curly. You know, I have naturally curly hair, but I have straightened it so much and using so many products that I probably ruined my hair all by myself. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna start doing, because with this you won't see my baldness that much, you know. Oh my gosh, wow. I'm so excited. I think it's dry. Okay, now I'm gonna use, actually I'm gonna use the cool button, the blue one, to probably set them in place, right? Make sure it's dry. I haven't seen anybody doing this. This is just my own reasoning. And we're done. I am kind of obsessed with this. Doesn't this hair make me look a little younger? Or is it my imagination? Or maybe I'm just getting flashbacks. Like, look at this. And if I had a bad haircut, nobody's gonna know. Right? Look at this. They're like little worms. Look. Oh my gosh. Wow. And it feels good. It feels bouncy. The gel makes it a little crunchy, but not too bad. I am dying to keep touching my hair, but I heard that the less you touch, the better. And oh my gosh, oh, this is so pretty. I'm gonna go out and rock this curly hair. I changed my shirt and I put some shoes on and I'm ready to go shopping, Christmas shopping. And this is what my hair is looking like after like 30 minutes of getting it done by myself. Oh my gosh, I am so happy. I'm gonna keep practicing because I think my hair can even be more curly than this. I want like really defined curls. So if you have advice for me, bring it on. Please tell me, share your knowledge and your experience because I want to have curly hair again. I was born with it, so I feel pretty. My husband is not gonna recognize me. He's gonna be like, oh, another wife. Oh my gosh. Whew, let me stop touching it. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for watching this video. And until next time, bye.